I have lots of playlists. I'll show you here. I do solar systems. I have some spirituality, John Deere mower videos, getting rid of pests in the lawn, Nordic track repairs, computer repairs and reviews of purchases like this laptop I'm showing this video on, review of my Generac power washer and use of it, other power equipment that I get, wood projects. I built a nice center here for the TV and so forth. I have landscape lights, refrigerator repairs, generator hookup and maintenance, and then other interior electrical wiring and so forth projects. Also lawn projects, so lawn equipment and so forth. So if you're interested, click on the bell and subscribe, and give me any comments on any other type of videos you'd like to see also. This is Old John signing out.